Hey, hello guys, welcome back to the channel Medical Pyrexia. So, today we are going to start medial side of thigh, and it is the adductor compartment of thigh. That means it has adductor muscles. These are adductor longus, adductor brevis and the adductor magnus. And others are gracilis and pectineus. Now, it has nerves, obturator nerve and the accessory obturator nerve, and arteries, obturator artery and the medial circumflex femoral artery. Now we discuss obturator nerve. It is important as per the prof. So it is the chief nerve of medial compartment of thigh, and it originated from the branch of lumbar plexus and is formed by the ventral division of the anterior primary rami of spinal nerve L2, L3 and the L4. So obturator nerve is further has two divisions, that is anterior division and the posterior division. So we see it from the diagram. Obturator nerve has two divisions, anterior division and the posterior division. Anterior division gives branch to the hip joint and also take part in the sartorial plexus, and also gives branch to the femoral artery in adductor canal. About its muscles, it gives branch to the pectineus and also peers out adductor longus and the gracilis. Adductor brevis also pierces out by the anterior division of obturator nerve, but if it is not supplied by the posterior division. On other hand, that is posterior division, it also gives branch to the obturator externus and adductor longus and adductor brevis if anterior division of medial side of thigh not supplied to it. So it also gives branch to the genicular branch of posterior division, and here gives branch to the popliteal artery, and also it ends with the supply capsule and cruciate ligament of knee joint. Then about its clinical part, it is important, that is spastic paraplegia means spasm of adductors of thigh in certain intractable cases of spastic paraplegia may be revealed by the surgical division of obturator nerve. A disease of hip joint may cause referred pain in the knee and on the medial side of the thigh because of their common nerve supply by the obturator nerve. Other one is retroperitoneal tumors. So obturator nerve may be involved with the femoral nerve is retroperitoneal tumor, a nerve entrapment syndrome leading to chronic pain on the medial side of thigh may occur in the athlete with big adductor muscles. So another accessory obturator nerve is the part of medial side of the thigh. It's subject to the 30% and is originated from the ventral division of anterior primary rami of spinal nerve L3 and L4, and it also gives branches to the deep surface of the pectineus, hip joint and the common with anterior division of obturator nerve. About its arteries, it has obturator artery, that is arises from the internal iliac artery, And the obturator artery give branches to the anterior branches and the posterior branches, and for the posterior branches give branch to the acetabular branch, and it gives to the femoral artery. So another artery of medial side is medial circumflex femoral artery, that is arises from the profunda femoris, and it is further divided into ascending and the transverse branches. So its ascending branch form trochanteric anastomosis, and its transverse branch form cruciate anastomosis. About its clinical anatomy, gracical muscle means most superficial branch of adductor compartment used for transplantation of external anal sphincter. An intracapsular fracture of neck of femur causes damage to the retinacular branches, leading avascular necrosis of the femur. So this is all about medial compartment of thigh. Hope you guys understand. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.